Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dave, and recently we did the unboxing of this tablet here. This is the Realme pad, and go check out the video. We had a really good unboxing video there. Since we have the tablet, we need a cover of that case because this is a big tablet, big screen, completely made of metal. If it falls once, it's gone. The screen breaks, the metal dents. So a cover is very important, and most importantly a good cover is important, which gives total protection. So we have here a Robustrion protector, a case for this is made specially for Realme pad. So very good quality. It's almost a leatherette type of feel here, and I bought this specially because the feel here, it protects the screen. And let me show you here. There is a very soft material here which prevents scratches to your tab at the the other side of the tab, and is completely connected. It's completely covered. It's not plastic. This is soft material, so you don't scratch your tablet. And this has the cutouts, really good. And let me turn this around. So the back, very good cutout for the camera here, and this has dent, so when you use your tab, it can you can see it, you can put it here. It also double acts as a stand. All right, let me just fix this. So I have put the tab inside this, and let me just show you how it looks. The cutout of these are well placed. The mic here, the volume button here, the power button here, and the speakers, they perfectly align. The fit is good, and this is the headphone jack. And I'll show you the best thing. So this case doubles as a stand, so you can watch your videos just by putting it like this. So my conclusion is this: overall, this is a very good tab, especially for your Realme tab. Definitely go for it. I'll put the link of this in the description of the video below. You can go check that out. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out on the latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.